Hi, today I'm going to show you this delicious chana masala recipe. This is the most delicious and flavorful recipe ever. Let's get started. In a pot, add half a cup of cooking oil. Add 1 bay leaf. Then, add 1 chopped medium onion. Now cook until the onions become soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then add 1 tablespoon of green chili. Now add 1 large tomato which is chopped. And cook until the tomato becomes soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And now cook until the oil separates. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you won't miss new recipes. Now add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Now add 2 cups of washed and boiled chickpeas and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water. Now cover and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of green chili, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander which is chopped, and 1 tablespoon of julienne cut ginger. Mix until well combined, and then it is ready to serve. Here is the best chana masala recipe that you would have ever tasted. Every bite you take is so aromatic and flavorful. You can serve this with bread, or maybe you can eat it as it is. Anyway, I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.